Hello, Delphians. This is Bob. I'm in my office at home, and I'm about ready to start with the. And somebody is here.
Hello.
This is a whole. This is an entire house project. There's Rosemary
right.
and Cody. Look at Cody there.
His tail's wagging. You can't see it. Oh well.
All right, so there it is. So our whole house is involved in this project. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting on YouTube the remaining material that we're going to be covering in our last four sessions. Since I don't have presentations and since we don't have questions and things like that, what I've decided to do is I've decided to take what I was going to talk about over the last four classes and divide it up into three large themes: agriculture and farm workers, technology, and then immigration. And the last section that I was going to talk about, which I called Contemporary and Current California, and part of what I was going to call Urban California, I'm going to work those into the three lectures. Okay, so we'll have the same amount of material, but there will only be three lectures that we're doing. So I've talked with your technical guru, Lee Hornberger, about how to do this, and Lee's been very, very helpful. She has suggested that the best way to do this is she's uploaded things to YouTube. So what's going to happen is that I'll have 10-minute segments. So and we'll arrange for where you can find them on YouTube. So for example, the first lecture, say it's about 50 minutes or 60 minutes long. So it'll be 5 or 6 different segments. So I'll have them marked on YouTube saying, this is Delphian's Remote Lecture 1, Part 1, then Delphian's Remote Lecture 2, Part 2. We'll be sending out material, so hopefully it will be easy for you to find, okay? And so what we're going to do, I'm in my office, and when I turn the camera on my iPad around, I will have it aimed at my screen. And then basically I'm going to be giving you the presentation. You'll hear my voice and the screen. Now, as you know from the earlier sessions this year and even last year, I don't have a prepared text. I use the slides basically as my notes, and I'm going to continue to do the same thing. So I'm going to try to talk, imagining you guys in front of me, even though you're obviously not. You're doing social distancing at your homes like we are in ours. But I'm going to try to make this as conversational as I possibly can, like the presentations were. So basically, what will happen is that at some point in the not too distant future, you'll receive a note from Loretta or Lee or me telling you where the various presentations are, and hopefully you will enjoy them as much as I've enjoyed making them. Okay, so with that as an intro, I'm going to then now start with the actual presentation of what will be called on our YouTube page, Delphian's Remote Lecture number 1. Take care, and you will see me very soon. You won't see me, but you'll hear me very soon.